I'm gonna be installing my brand new Walbro 255 fuel pump into my brand new fuel canister that I ordered off Modern Performance. I'm supposed to disconnect the plug from down here, and then these wires need to come out from this plug itself so you can feed it through the canister. You need to take this blue or green or whatever color it's gonna be out first before depinning the wires. And just like that, it comes out. You just grab some pliers and pull it right out. There's these little tabs, there's gonna be 4 of them, little square or rectangular tabs. You're gonna lift those up and you'll be able to pull the wire right down. There's this little red tool that they include. Let's see. There it is. All right, so I'm just installing the parts that are included in the kit. So this has its own opening here for this. And then you're gonna use this little grommet and slide that on. So it honestly, it just pulls right out. And then install a new fuel pump. Black wire was to the right. That snaps in. The one blue wire that I coated in black is next to that. And the other blue wire. And then the red wire to the left. That snaps in. I forgot that part. Gotta put that piece back in. Then plug that. And now you have a rewired 255 fuel pump.